This week on Nature Unsolved, we're looking into fairy circles found in Namibia's deserts. Fairy circles, found mainly along the coast of Namibia, Africa, and more recently in Western Australia, are barren circular areas of soil found in grasslands surrounded by a ring of simulated plant growth. These circles range in diameters yet remain regularly spaced in proximity throughout the region. This ecological phenomenon of arid grass formation has puzzled scientists and researchers over the past 50 years. To this day, there is no universally accepted explanation to these remarkable spatial patterns. Many theories exist throughout the world, some with more footing than others, including mythical creatures, termite nests, plant competition, and unique soil properties. Regardless, there is no clear consensus on the root cause of this natural phenomenon. Let's dive in. First, with the name originating from the Himba people of the region, many folklore tales were once thought to explain these barren areas found along the coast of Africa. It was fabled that these formations were crafted by the presence of mythical beings setting foot on Earth, particularly fairies and witches. It was also rumored that entering the rings would result in death, entrapment, or a lifetime plagued by misfortune. This theory, though intriguing, is highly unlikely and largely based in fantasy. The second theory, having a more scientific background, is termites. Researcher and theorist Juan A. Bonacella from the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, United Kingdom, believes termites may be the culprit. The nests created by termites render the soil porous, allowing permanent reservoirs of water to exist below the surface, sustaining both the termites and surrounding plant vegetation. Mounds created by the colonies physically alter the water flow, possibly explaining the barren soil and surrounding vegetation. Termites forage in a circular pattern adjacent to their nests, and colony competition may explain the proximity of circles. However, termites have not been found in some areas of Namibia's deserts where fairy circles are in fact present, and researchers have long argued against this proposed causal relationship, citing the need for further research. Another theory emerging from researchers at the University of Göttingen in Australia and Israel lend the blame of these spatial patterns to plant competition. It is observed that the peripheral grass surrounding fairy circles had a greater average height than other vegetation among the grassland. This theory of competition and evolutionary patterns identifies a mutual relationship between the peripheral grass in maintaining water on the arid desert surface and developing long roots to absorb not only the scarce quantities of water, but also nutrients from the soil. It is hypothesized that rainfall variations and extreme weather conditions have forced plants into a competitive state, but research fails to confirm if this is the sole cause or if there is another factor in the development of Namibia's fairy circles. The final theory, rooted mainly in soil properties, explores the possibility that climate and soil conditions are the main cause of this spatial pattern emergence. In Namibia, fairy circles occur in areas of coarse, sandy soil. Research indicates that circle diameter is positively correlated with the soil's infiltration rates, which are relatively high, and suggests that the regional soil's high capacity for water flux and ability for a hydraulically connected network in the region allowed the development of unusual land patterns. The grain-size distribution of the area's soil effectively enables the hydraulic flux, or movement of water, as well, with larger soil grain sizes existing in the interior soil and finer particle grain sizes present around the peripheral vegetation. Additionally, the soil's low binding capacity for nutrients plays a crucial role in the development of a positive nutrient mass flow to the surrounding vegetation. It is hypothesized that the presence of a highly connective, edaphic environment is the cause of Namibia's fairy circles, yet researchers still believe that more studies must be done to confirm this hypothesis. Though several theories exist regarding the cause of Namibia's fairy circles, including mythical creatures, termites, plant competition, and distinct soil properties, it is still unclear as to what the true nature of this ecological phenomenon really is. Until further research and investigations have been conducted, this natural mystery remains unsolved.